So I'm making a video with Pop-Tarts being used as currency, and for that video I had to make a cool thumbnail, which looks like this. So I want to show you that process. First, I took a photo of the Pop-Tarts after I had stacked them, and I used Photoshop to get the hex code, which is a 6-digit code for the color, to get this blue here. Then I hopped into colors.adobe.com and I put in that main blue, because that's the main color here, and I found which colors complement it, and then I looked for a triad. So basically orange, green, and blue are complementing colors. There are 3 triangular points on a color wheel. So I am dressed in orange. I am gonna see if I can put some green in the photo, maybe a little bit of cash money, because that's green. And then the main color here is blue. So then what I decided to do is to use basically a pattern of Pop-Tarts, and then what I'm gonna do is set this up. So I'm gonna take out the middle Pop-Tarts, kind of like Jenga, and I'm going to stick my head through it. So it's gonna be all Pop-Tarts, and then my head maybe with a little bit of cash. So I'm gonna show you how I'm setting that up, because clearly I can't fit behind the table, and I have 2 options. Use a different table or bring it to the bedroom. Okay, so I could have used a plastic fold-out table, but I'm just gonna use the bed because I'm a little bit lazy, but I hope the bed isn't too soft because I don't want these to topple over. So I'm gonna put the biggest ones as the base at the bottom and build a little set around my face. And I don't know how wide the shot's gonna be. It's probably gonna be a little bit narrower than this, cropped in about like that. So I can just build around my face. Oh, that's falling back. Put some Pop-Tarts to support behind it. Ah, they all fell. Okay, so I can't really lean on the bed when I do that. So I have to either put a piece of wood below this, or I need to try again and just sort of not lean. So I'm gonna bring this all back. I know I'm getting this all during the video right now, but I am gonna want an actual photo. So once I figure this out, I do need to run to the camera, change it to photo mode, and then take the thumbnail. Oh. Okay. This is not very sturdy. Karina, can you believe this is what your idiot boyfriend does? Oh, no. I'm sweating bullets. Maybe I should just do this on the floor. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it on the floor. All right, so now the camera's on the ground, but we've run into a new issue, which is this bedding is in the photo and I can't push the bed further back against the wall. So I have to move this to a different spot. I guess I'll be like this, and then I'll have the Pop-Tarts around me. I'm gonna brighten up this shot too. Yeah, that's perfect, but how do I put more Pop-Tarts? Okay, how does that look? Is that good enough for a thumbnail? Joey Nguyen was really my inspiration to get serious about my thumbnails. I think I feel like I need more here, right? Get a little color contrast here. Okay, I overestimated and I have 1 and 2 extra things of Pop-Tarts, but I think this can make for a cool thumbnail with a little bit of Photoshop. Let's start shooting photos and see how they come out. So after taking a couple of pictures, I went over to the computer and realized that there was too much of a gap up here, so I decided to just place the Pop-Tarts on my head. And I also figured that in order to make it look real and not photoshopped, not like I just photoshopped a bunch of Pop-Tarts in front of me, I decided to bring some cash in and put it on the front side. And then I didn't know if I want to use 100 or 300, if that's too much. So then I used a 20, and then I did the disgusting, and I put a $20 bill between my teeth. So now I have to go put hand sanitizer in my mouth. And I hope you appreciate the effort that goes into creating a just okay YouTube thumbnail. Thanks for watching.